It was found out by the authorities in dactyloscopy that 65% of fingerprint patterns are classified as letter A, whorl, letter B, arch, letter C, loop, letter D, Francis Galton. The correct answer is loop, letter C. Why? Because ang whorl ay isang fingerprint pattern na binubuo ng 20% plain whorl and 10% for other whorl, a total of 30%. Ang whorl ay merong ridges to count, has core, and 2 or more data. Ang arch naman. Ang arch ay isa ding fingerprint pattern na binubuo ng 4% plain arch at 1% tinted arch, a total of 5%. Ang arch ay walang ridges to count, walang delta and core. And syempre, yung ating loop. Ang loop naman ay tinaguri ang dominant fingerprint pattern dahil ito ay binubuo ng 60% ulnar loop and 5% radial loop, a total of 65%. Ang loop ay may ridges to count, may core at merong 1 delta. Si Francis Galton naman, siya lang naman ay isang British anthropologist at pinsan ni Charles Darwin na nagsulat din ng evolution theory. Si Galton ay ang nakadiscover ng 3 families of fingerprint patterns na arch, loop, and whorl. At lagi nating tatandaan, mga future criminologists, in China, fingerprint is called wachi and it is called tigata in Japan.